I have a secret. Chances are your food tastes a little bland because you're not using a starter. Think about the French mirepoix or the Italian sofrito, which is celery, carrots, onion, and either butter or olive oil. Or if you talk to the Latin community, you might get something else called sofrito, or the rest of the Caribbean, green seasoning. I grew up calling it green seasoning, and that's exactly what we're about to make today. Let's go. If you're new here, hi, my name is Bree. I own a catering business called A Bite with Bree, and I offer catering services as well as do food content creation. I am currently offering a free online culinary arts course, Mastering the Basics. If you're interested, let's get started. As always, your food is customizable, but here are a few things that we're going to be using. Green onion, bell pepper, both orange and green, thyme, ginger, fresh garlic, celery, onion, and rosemary. Wash your hands and make sure to get under your nails. 60 seconds. Sing happy birthday. After washing your hands, make sure to peel off all stickers, take off all rubber bands and everything like that off of your produce because they're going to get a bath next. And do it thoroughly because dirt does absolutely hurt. Take your time. Now that I have a rough chop on everything, we can go ahead and add this either into your food processor or your blender. I'm also going to add in some rosemary and some thyme and a little bit of water. You're welcome to add olive oil as well as add salt, pepper, and a few other seasonings. Right now I'm keeping it basic. And don't worry, measurements will be in the description or the caption. Now that we've added most of our produce, I've also added in some thyme and some rosemary, and I'm going to add a little bit of water to help this blend, and we'll add in the rest of our stuff once this goes down a little bit more. Your green seasoning can be added to season all types of proteins, be added to soups, stews, and anything else you can think of. You can also freeze this and save it for later or keep it in the fridge for 7 to 10 days. As always, if you made it to the end of this video, thank you so much for choosing to learn with me today. Make sure to like, bookmark, and let me know if you have any questions in the comments, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.